Check. Okay. You can hear me. Oh, cool. I wanted to make a quick video. I don't think it's actually a quick video, but I wanted to make a video. This is the first time I'm doing this, so I wanted to document it because it's a really cool process, and I think it has a lot of potential. And I think when with the thing that I'm building, I want to. This is the general like this is like a way to encapsulate everything that I've done so far, and so I wanted to share it and then see what people thought, and then get people's understanding of the potential, or get people's like vibes on the potential. So one of the things, so the thing that I made here, sorry, this is a really big screen, so I mean, so I don't know. I mean, you probably can't. I don't know if you can't read it exactly, but basically what we have here is so some people are familiar with Cline. Cline is it's a extension in VS Code, which is an IDE. Cline is a AI coder. But I came across this, and it very closely mirrored my workflow with how everything works. So I was like, I wonder if I can extend this to encapsulate my workflow. So I came across this, and let me give credit to the guy. Let me find this guy. Fuck. Yeah, this guy on Reddit posted this. Shout out to this guy, Building Blocks. I want to give him credit because I'm developing on top of his thing. We're building on the shoulders of giants. So this is the doc from some guy, Nick Bauman maybe, or I don't know. Maybe it's him. Maybe this is his website. I don't know. But this is Cline Docs, and the idea behind Cline Docs is it gives Cline custom instructions on how to move. And what made it interesting for me was I was reading through it. I was like, wait a minute. It's you are Cline, full class web developer. First of all, I'm like, okay, this is very similar to what I tell, Claude before I tell it, what the plan is. And then it says you develop the stuff with beautiful stuff. You adapt your approach to the project, always aiming to guide users in efficiently creating functional applications. And then it goes through, and then so it says. So what it does is what the goal of this here is to maintain consistent documentation along the entire place of the roadmap, along creating this entire thing. Which, man, because one of the biggest things for me that I've been struggling with is like, I'm going back and forth. Like I'm going back and forth on what we're making, what we're not making, and I feel like I'm losing my mind a little bit in one hand because I'm re-engineering the project every fucking 3 minutes because like we didn't come up with a holistic vision in the first place, and I'm using multiple different platforms to manage it, and it's bullshit. So this is an interesting way to simplify that a little bit. So the idea here is that Cline will make a Cline Docs folder. And by the way, I think this can be done with Windsurf. I think this can be done, Cursor tried to do it with their Cursor rules doc, but it just doesn't work. Okay? But I think this could be done with Windsurf, and obviously it can be done with Cline. And with that, you can really push through functional creation of different features without breaking the entire thing, without forgetting the context that you're working from, which is that's the main thing that I struggle with. That it's just sometimes the thing that you're making forgets the context, and it's so frustrating because you're like, bro, you're deleting the thing that we just made an hour ago. So anyway, so this is the purpose. So it creates this document folder, and it creates these documents. So it creates the project roadmap. It creates the current task.md, techstack.md, code base summary, and additional documentation and then it describes how it's supposed to work. You know, at the beginning of every task, when you're instructed to follow the custom instructions, read through the essential documents in this order. So it goes through the project roadmap at a high level every time, which is essential. Then and then I'll show you the workflow as explained to me by Claude, because I went to Claude and I was like, bro, we need to fucking make this into a whole thing, because this is great. And then it goes to the current task. So it looks at the project roadmap, and then it looks at so it's like you're recording every single time what's been done, and it'll update the project roadmap. And then, so when you tell it to do something new, it'll go to the project roadmap, what's next? And then it'll pick that, and then it'll change the current task to match the objectives of the task that it's supposed to do. And then it'll check that against the tech stack. And then it'll check that against the current code base summary, which is because one of the things that if you do use Cline, you'll find you get rate limited in fucking 3 fucking minutes. You get rate limited, and I will lose my mind. Fuck, dude, it's like, okay, listen, I don't have money. All right, don't have money, but fucking let me build, my boy. You know what I mean? That's the most frustrating thing, to get fucking rate limited. Not even rate limited. I don't even know what you fucking run out of. It fucking says you're done for the day. You're done for the night. This is for the people with addictions. You're done for the night. So here, here we have the possibility. So, but one of the things that leads to that is because if you unfurl the fucking thing that it's sending to Anthropic every time, it's using a fuck ton of tokens. It's using a fuck ton. So if you have a code base summary every time, it doesn't need to go through and look at the fucking whole file. It can look at, okay, I know what's going on, I know what we need to do. So that's just, it's amazing. So whoever, I don't know where this came from. By the way, this is why you should. I'm not on Reddit, but I need to. You know what I mean? I'm in the Discords now, and we're partaking, because I saw something in the Discord the other day and I liked it. I don't know how complicated we want, but I liked it, and I might add it into this workflow, but we'll talk about it. Okay. Anyway, so we have this doc. I won't go through the rest of it, but it's fascinating, okay? And he explains how to use it. You go into Claude, you put in your API key, and then you put in the custom instructions right here. So this is an old screenshot, and this is at least a month old, because we have computer use now, and that shit is crazy. So, but now, yeah, you just paste this thing in there. Okay, so I'll show you what we came up with, Claude and myself. We came up with this workflow, and we're going to, I didn't upload it yet, but we made a pod yesterday of my friend Destin and I going through an active build of his idea, and I don't want to steal the homie's vibe, but I want to use it on that, right? We're gonna use it. So the idea, I want to use it. I want to AI. If AI can build the thing, right? Just, you know what I mean? Then AI can build the thing. I don't want to spend a lot of time on this. It's just going to be my 30-minute. Can I build out his whole thing in 30 minutes? You know what I mean? Can we do it using Cline? And if we can, that's a proof of concept, right? So the idea here is that so he just walked me through how to actually use it, and we can zoom in here just for everybody and for myself, because I can't read it on this big ass screen. Okay, let me break this down super clear. I like this. I like direct communication. Okay, first step. So we added a couple things to this, and so the first step is to create a initial document like this. The project init.md. And so you go to prompt or ChatGPT and you tell it your idea. And we're going to do that right now. Okay? Because that's just, you know what I mean? I got we got the keyboard shortcut for ChatGPT. You got to have that, man. You got to have that. You got to have it. So you go to Claude or ChatGPT and you tell it your prompt. I'm going to create a mobile first platform for selling bourbon. help me fill out these two things following these constraints. So let me remember the homie's idea. Let's actually open the actual ChatGPT. I'm scared. I'm actually scared because I don't know what's up. Well, okay, it's right here. It's actually here. I was like, I don't know what I've been chatting with this boy about, but okay. All right. Yeah, we're good. Nothing crazy in here. All right. So what we're gonna do, actually, I do want to make these two files. I want to make, because we do have templates for them. We made it at the very beginning, and yeah, we made it at the very beginning, and we're gonna go ahead and make that. So we're gonna go to our text edit real quick. Actually, yeah, fine. We're gonna go to our text edit. We're gonna paste it in. We're gonna click Control S. We're gonna put project in it, and then we're gonna do mark. I don't see markdown here. Let's see what happens if I try to save it .md. Hopefully I don't have anything crazy in here. Okay. Not that I'd be doing crazy shit, guys, but you never know. I don't know. Okay. Wait, why is it RTF? Okay, cool. Well, it's doing a lot of shit here. Let's go ahead and open it with Windsurf. Yeah, let's go ahead and open it with Windsurf. And that way we can just, okay. So we're just gonna open it with Windsurf and just make these docs, okay? And can we save this? Okay, project in it. And then we're gonna go ahead and make a, and we're gonna make this one, document constraints. .md. Again, you can create these files anywhere. Okay, so we have these two files. Cool. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to open them in Finder. Okay, we're going to open it in Finder. Okay, cool. And then we're going to just drag it in. But I use O1 preview most of the time, but listen, you can't use it with this because, I don't know, it doesn't accept everything. I don't know why. What the hell? Why? What? What the hell? Wait, where's my development one? Oh, I didn't save it or what? I'm looking for this file. Where did it go? Bro, where's this file? Am I high? Bro. Okay. Where is it? Quick project. Let's find quick project, and then we see both of them here. Okay, I don't know why it's not, anyway, so that's just whatever. Okay, so we're gonna drag these both in here, and then we're gonna follow our instructions from our friend. We're gonna follow the instructions, and we're gonna say, okay, and we're just gonna copy. So those are the two templates. I will not include it in the description. I will maybe think about being a real YouTuber. If one person asks, then I'll put it in the description. But you know what I mean? I don't know. That's a lot of work. Read it. Pause the video and read it. And if you're lazy, then take a screenshot, go on your iPhone and highlight it and copy paste, right? Look at it slow. I don't know if you can see the screen. Okay. I don't know what to tell you. Maybe I'll include it maybe I'll include it. I'll just copy and paste it in the description for fun. Okay. So we're going to just copy this whole prompt and put it in, and we're going to modify it, of course. Okay. I want to create a mobile first platform, a mobile first app / web app for selling bourbon. Help me fill out these things with the following considerations. Mobile first experience. Focus on bourbon's experience. Need a product database for finding. What is it for crowd? Let me just use this thing. Users get online and try to find the cheapest gas, period. They report the gas station prices. I think maybe that gas stations also submit, but in my initial version, I'll have just users submitting bourbon prices and the actual availability of specific bottles at specific retail locations of different places around America. In general, I want this to be a beautiful application. I've heard about Expo for mobile app design. It's like a cross-platform React-based thing. I think we could start there. Maybe we can use shadcn components, of course. Listen, I'm just adding, and by the way, I just learned about this thing. I just learned about this. It's an open source framework for, you know, universal native apps that run with React that run on Android, iOS, and the web. So, like, I just found out about that. They just told me. They just told me because I tried to make this app design, and they're like, we can't preview Expo components. I was like, what is an Expo component? And then I found out what an Expo component was. So anyway, I gave it a bunch of shit. Okay, no, I didn't do that. Okay. Should I see the components, of course. I'm not totally sure what the tabs on the mobile should be. Maybe there's and I don't know. Did we download? This is the other part. Like, do some. I mean, again, you don't have to do any extra research, right? You don't have to do. You don't have to do anything, right? You know, no one's forcing you. But I would say, okay, they do have a Gas Buddy does have an app on the, but that's. I want to see the mobile. Okay. Let me just talk some shit. I'm thinking it should be a 4-page thing, and maybe there's a central action button that can be for adding prices or adding availability, period. I'm not sure what the 4 tabs could be, period. Probably there's one that's just like maps based. Maybe that map base has some bourbon data on there. It probably has all the locations that have bourbon listed. Probably it has some sort of ranking system or some sort of pinpoint system that identifies specific distributors as higher quality or higher potential for something. So maybe that can be a possible thing. Maybe it's a map first app, or maybe it's a just maybe it's a bourbon first, where maybe we have like a list of the bourbons, and then you can search for that, and then you can kind of see the first location where it's likely that it might have that thing. Period. And then the first place like close by that you can check, and then if you check, you can mark off the things that you checked in the app. And maybe there's an easy way to do that. Maybe you can, like, if you're looking for specific bourbons, you can just check all of those things. You can just like, okay, I want this, 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 and this. I'm going to check for these things. And maybe it's an easy thing, almost like Instacart, where you're just, okay, this is here, this is not here. Okay, this is here, this is the price, and so on. Again, I have no idea. I have no clue what direction we should go or how we should do this. I need help, okay? So we need to come up with the best thing that we could do for this type of thing. And then there's the other part about like the actual integration. Of course, like, are we doing crowdsourcing versus are we going to the actual people and making an offer for how we're actually going to. Are we going to offer people something, we're going to bring you a certain amount of traffic, and you can give us access to your data. It's a mutually beneficial situation. I don't know, but that's the general thing. Let's figure it out together. I think this is outside of this. By the way, I think this is outside of the scope of this. Okay, but we're just gonna go with it. Okay, let's see. I overran this, but I like how it skipped over. Okay. So where did we end? An app first thing, maybe da. Okay, I have a list. Okay. Help me fill out these with the probably. Okay. Okay. So let's skip that. Payment processing. I don't think we need that. I don't think we need shipping or that. Any other high level requirements? Needs to be intuitive, maybe built in incentives, like points or something if you are contributing. Free bourbon or access to rare options. Maybe interactions with influencers. Who knows? Haha. Okay. I feel like, yeah, okay, so what did I say? Mobile first, web app, okay, gas buddy, try to get online, get cheapest gas, they report the gas, and I think maybe the gas stations all submit by my initial version, I just want urban prices, and then actual availability. I want it to be a beautiful application. I've heard Expo for mobile app design across platform React-based thing. I think we can start there. Maybe we could start with shadcn components, of course. I'm not sure, totally sure, but what is the tape? Okay, I think we just leave it at that because usually I don't like edit my responses ever. If it comes in shit, it comes in shit. You should use like the central, ChatGPT usually has like an actual thing where it'll like take in your speech, and that's usually more accurate than just using your computer. But I think that's it. Let me just double check the instructions from our friend, Claude. Okay. Yeah, just do that, and you let them fill out the foundation documents because they're good at understanding business requirements and can query you for missing information. Oh, well, let me just ask, okay, because we have both of these. Time constraints, target platforms. Let's just leave it at that. Let's leave it at that. Let's see what it comes up with. I'm scared. Let's see what it does. Okay. Bourbon Finder, TBD. Bourbon enthusiasts, retail partners, distributors. Platform for users to report and search for bourbon prices and availability. Establish a user-friendly mobile first. Encourages crowdsourcing data. Establish a system of incentivizing participation. Great. Target platforms mobile first design using React Native via Expo. Good. Web app for broader accessibility. Good. Real-time updates for submitted data. Good. Interactive map with minimal latency. Good. Security auth. Yeah, OAuth or something similar. That's good. Storage of data, good. Scalability needs to scale as usability grows, good. Let me just make sure I'm not receiving any. Okay, cool. Okay, time constraints, good. Hosting, database, API require. Okay, cool. Technical constraints, possible influencer. Okay, nice. Cross-platform compatibility, use public APIs and affordable maps for geolocation. Core functionality, users can easily submit bourbon prices and availability data is aggregated and displayed interactively on maps or lists. Good. Performance metrics, submissions processed within 5 seconds. I'd say it has to be faster. Map renders within 2 seconds. Good. User experience goals, intuitive navigation with clear call to action buttons. Central action for. So this is good. That's it. Like everything that I discussed, this is it. And I think they got what I wanted pretty succinctly. Preferred front-end framework, React Native, cross-platform, shadcn components for consistent design aesthetics, good. Node.js for API, Firebase for real-time database and auth. We're definitely not using Firebase. We're probably using Superbase with Prisma. Okay. And then so PostgreSQL for structured database source. I think we'll probably be using Prisma for. I'm 50. We'll ask. React testing library for the testing framework, Postman, and automated testing for the backend. Fuck, I forget all the. There's an automated, I'm going to ask. I forget it. Prettier ES and ESLint, good. Markdown, inline comments, use conventional commits, branch strategy. Okay, cool. All right. This is fun. I love this shit, man. Okay. So what I know, so we need to talk about the database stuff. And OAuth. About Prisma, I like their visual possibility for managing data. I like their managed solution. What do you think about using that plus Superbase for OAuth? Or maybe Prisma for the ORM / See, and this stuff like You round up the options and give me your final opinion based on my project here. Be opinionated. As always, I can spell, I just don't listen. Let's relax. The only other thing, use Markdown. I don't care about real testing. Okay. The other thing is just for API. There was a there was a Postman alternative. Postman's good, by the way, but there was one that's let me just use. There's another. I'm developing a thing here, and Postman was suggested as a way to test the API, but I know that there's another one. I know that there's another option that's open source, and whenever you start your application, it actually creates automatically. It creates documentation, and it also creates like an endpoint that you can visit to test the API. Like, what am I thinking of? Swagger, baby, Swagger, or Open API. Okay, Swagger is the open source. Is what the hell? Is Swagger the same thing as Open API, or are they different? And you said it's Open API is a new iteration of Swagger. I mean, are they the same thing? And which one do you recommend? I think I would like to use one of those. Yeah. Okay. OpenAPI is the specification, the standard, and Swagger is the tool set. Okay. Okay. Okay, let's use Swagger tools. So we'll use Swagger tools. Okay, cool. What do you think about Swagger tools for API testing / docs? Okay, and then I think that's good for auth. Okay, okay, cool. Let's just double check that. Prisma plus Superbase, DB auth, ORM. So ORM stands for. I just learned it this morning. ORM stands for something. It stands for something. What does it mean? Oh, object relational mapping. Okay, so it's just like how to organize databases. Listen, and this is like I don't know, but I know that Prisma is cool. Okay, and it offers visual management of your database, which is really cool. But so does Superbase. So. Okay. I don't care about type safe. I don't care about Firebase at all. So Swagger tools. It is a smaller project, but yeah, we should just use Superbase probably with Prisma ORM. I think we just use okay. Yeah. Okay, let's um type safe. I don't know what that means. It means TypeScript. I don't know. Use Prisma for schema design and migrations, and Superbase for database hosting and OAuth. Okay, cool. Cool. Update those two docs for me with that final decisions. Those final decisions for the people who speak English. Okay. Okay, so we have the two docs, and now we can go. We're gonna have the two docs. Okay, so cool. So we're gonna have the two docs, and then we get to go. So we're gonna go to cline, and we're gonna say, following your instructions, initialize a new project based on these two things. Go to create the cline docs directory with the initial versions of all required documentation. Focus on establishing project structure and core architecture. Okay. I do want to add something. Is there something where we can identify more pre-built tools? What do you want to call it? Like boilerplate to start the development. I find when starting dev with a starting point with AI dev, there's less mistakes. What do you think? I could probably word it a little bit better. It's a crucial insight. Starting with solid, well-tested boilerplate significantly reduces errors and provides better structure. Let me outline an enhanced approach for incorporating this. Okay. Recommended starting points. T3. So that's what we just made, by the way. Almost. So it's Next.js, TypeScript, Prisma. I don't know what this is. Next Auth. But really what the modern thing is, you just replace these two with Superbase. Precedent, and okay, that's like the SaaS. Prisma starter kit, mobile first templates, Expo plus Next.js template. Okay. And this is the point. So it's a good thing. So it's coming up with it's coming up. So it has all these different options here. Integration process, define core technical needs, compare against templates, integration commands, custom additions matrix, setup strategy, create new projects from template, audit existing components. Fuck, okay. Okay, I like it almost. Okay. Okay. I like it. first of all, the only question first is, can we make a more robust set of templates? Like, I don't know. I guess this is pretty good to start, to be honest. So maybe we don't need more. Um, but okay, but how does the boilerplate selection and integration strategy integrate with what we're doing so far? So let's say we start with Claude and with OpenAI, and we get them to, we give them the project init, and we give it we give it the other file. We give it the development constraints.md. So we give it the project init.md and development constraints.md. So are we adding boilerplate selection to the development constraints.md, or are we having a separate doc that's development or we just, do you want to add this to the project init or development constraints? Or do we want to have it as a separate thing, like we tell it to fill out project init and development constraints, and then we have a template selection workflow specifically where we give it, I guess, I don't know, this implementation strategy or something. We give it something. I would prefer like an exact thing. Like, let's make it an actual thing in the process. Like, okay, fill out you go to open it, you go to somebody, you get these two documents filled out. Then you give it this document and you tell it to pick something. Then we generate some getting started, or where we add this to the project init. Maybe it's just better to add it to the project init. Then maybe we modify the cline commands to say, okay, hey, go through this, and then include this, obviously whatever the boilerplate instruction is in the initial creation of the thing. Boom, boom, and so on. And I see there's naming of the apps and stuff like this. Just let's make it more robust. I want a real process here. And by the way, if parts of the process don't change, I don't want. You can just like put like, hey, same old, whatever. But the ones that should change, or that should be, something should change as a result, because we're starting with a boilerplate. Like, let me know where to add this boilerplate thing, because I think that's essential. And I think it's essential to find boilerplate for UI components, because obviously we have shadcn, we have a bunch of different component libraries. I like the idea of having these preset templates for movement and AI dev. Okay. What the fuck? I mean, honestly, this is what probably this is the type of prompting that they have behind things like bolt.new. Okay. So project.md enhanced boilerplate sections. We have an auth level, database complexity, API requirements, real-time features, mobile requirements. Ooh, nice. Design system, interaction level, animation requirements, accessibility level. Wow. Offline require. Wow. I don't know what most of this stuff is, but I like it. I like it. I like it. I like it. Oh, I like it. I like it quite much in it. UI component selection, auxiliary libraries. Okay, Jesus Christ. Template selection, template name, new template selection docs. Wow, nice. Okay. I need to take a shit. Okay. Okay, for new projects. Okay. Nice. Okay. We're gonna have something nice. I'm gonna take a small, I'm gonna pause for 1 second and I'll be right back because I need to take a shit. Okay, we're back. Okay. So I like it. I like it. What are we gonna do here? Okay, let's split screen it and let's just get our, let's put a, like the actual, let's get the actual kind of plan together just for ourselves. Dot full full strat dot md. Can you put these instructions in a markdown? Can you put these instructions in a markdown? I want to show my friends. Okay, this system offers a systematic approach to developing applications using AI assistance and an AI developer agent. It's designed to maximize efficiency and maintain high code quality through the use of proven templates and structured documentation. Initial setup, template selection, development process, required documents, AI assistant usage, available. Okay, nice. Okay, very good. Very good. Oh, it's not even done. It's not even done. Wow. He said shareable. Let's download that. Let's go ahead and drag it in. Plug it in, plug it in. AI dev guide. I think I'm gonna call this, I was gonna buy the domain normiedev. It's available. normiedev.md. I like it. Okay. I'm building project name. Help me fill out your project. Help me fill out enhanced versions. Bruv, we ain't doing that. What we talking about enhanced? Please help me fill out project init and development constraints. And with specific focus on boilerplate requirements, here are my key requirements. I don't like that. The user we're going to modify the prompt for that. Cool. What the hell? To modify, what the hell? Wait, did it put, wait. What is this? Wait a minute. What is this? Wait, hold up. What am I looking at? Is this different? Because this has the markdown already. What is this? Wait, what? I kind of like that. Let me refresh real quick. Is this the same thing? What is it doing? Okay. So create a comprehensive project definition using this format. I don't like that. Paste it. I don't like that. Okay. So as a modification, and by the way, we don't have to like reprint everything. I just want to know for this first part of the process, I'm not filling out that, like, obviously I'm not filling that out. So I'm not filling out a project definition sheet. But what you're saying is we can give like an extra step. So we're basically like saying, hey, project, I don't know, project def.md, like, hey, help me fill this out, and then I'm just going to give as much information as I can, and then maybe the AI can follow up. Like you can instruct the AI somewhere in there or something like, hey, follow up like on anything you need, and then use that to create the next steps or something like that. I don't know, but I don't want this. I don't know. I kind of already. I don't know. I already tried it. I just tried it just now, with just giving it as much information, like it basically in the initial prompt I just told it like, hey, I want to build the following project, and then I like literally just word vomited the whole thing, and then I just put right after that, hey, fill out these two docs. And so, and that it looked like it worked. So but I just want to, in what the thing that I give to the people, I want to explain that, like, hey, we're gonna word vomit here, and then like it's gonna give not even necessarily word vomit. Like you could just tell it a couple sentences, and then it's gonna do its best, or you could give it as much information as possible, and it's gonna do its best. I don't know, um, but I know you have a lot of things in the template selection thing. So I guess, if it's going to be a back and forth between users, like how do we initiate that back and forth? And then, but how do we also bail out of that back and forth just to get to actually doing some work if the user just has no idea about what's going on? Because it's got to be something like, there's probably going to be people using this system that don't know the first thing, and then there's going to be people that know exactly, they know they want TypeScript and React. You know what I mean? It's going to be different users. So I want to have it set up to potentially serve both, leaning more towards people who know something, but I want to be able to serve both. Shit. We need to. This is what happens. Like you just, you know what I mean? What is going on here? Okay, did they modify it again? Did he modify it? Yeah, he did. Quick start. Just describe your idea in a few sentences. Okay, so I like that. They just started like modifying. Okay. Um, describe this a quick start. Telling idea of your project. Okay. Describe your idea in a few sentences. For example, I want to build something with users should be able to do this. Option B, share everything you want to build. Just brain dump it. The AI will guide you AI will guide you based on. Okay. After your initial description, use this prompt. Based on what I've described, please ask me any critical questions you need answered. I would say based on project init development constraints, and template selection. No need to format anything, just describe what you want, and the AI will either ask for missing information or proceed. Okay, that's fine. Okay. Okay. I don't like, no, because it, just decide, just tell me. So it's gotten a little, well, no, I kind of like the back and forth, because it would be nice to actually get some information. Oh, okay, nice. Wait, what? This is a little bit confusing. Anyway, just, you guys get it. I don't know. You guys get it. Just put whatever the fuck you want in this thing, and then based on that, we fill out the documents, and then we get cline to do some shit. Okay? So right now we're at the step, I don't know, whatever. We're just gonna save it for now. I'll define it more for the thing that I'm gonna make, but so anyway, we have project in it, we have development constraints, we have okay, template selection. Okay, wait, so we need to do this template selection part. Please, okay. Based on the prompt, create template. Did we have a separate doc for template selection? Did we have a separate doc for template selection? Okay. We're just gonna download this? What is this? Okay. I don't. Okay. After getting those docs, go back. Please analyze and create template selection.md. Okay, but can you give me to use? Okay, because I never saw that. You know what I mean? I never saw the template selection.md. I don't know if you guys saw it. I didn't see it. So we need to go through that. Maybe I should start live streaming this shit. You see, what I liked about the project in it is the simplicity of it. You know? I'm gonna put a folder. Like, we don't need, I don't know if I like that it has so much shit. Like, what is all that shit? Um, there's two, I think potentially there's too much here. Like, these are simple and will be useful to cline. The goal of the doc is to enhance AI development. So if anything, the template selection will probably be better as a few line items or as a section in dev constraints. I don't care about all this shit. Maybe we can focus on that central goal, getting cline the info it needs to create the docs it needs to create, and to get off to a good, better start because of what we are providing. But what do you think? You are an opinionated expert, and I value your opinion. Sometimes I don't want to be rude to my friend here, but okay. Yeah, I want to. You know what? You're absolutely right. I got carried away. Looking at, we just need to pretty good base templates. But for template selection, we need to add a simple section to. Okay, here's why I'd modify it. Okay, base stack, UI library. Okay, material UI material, robot strategy, key modifications. User brain dumps their idea as much as they can. AI helps fill out project init and this enhanced thing. Client gets these docs and immediately starts to work. Okay, that's so perfect. Thank you. The only question is do you think that we should bring some extra template context to Claude, or you think they will be able to decide based on the prompt easily? making, but I do think adding a bit of context to the prompt would be good to get more context and get more modern choices. Based on what I've described, please fill out these two things. For the starting template, please consider these as proven choices: base, T3 stack, Next.js router, remix, UI, shadcn, material, these ones, and then key tools, zoo stand. I like it. 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 Okay. The T3 stack. This is the most, what is TRPC? Let's find out what that is. TypeScript, okay. Yeah, fine, we'll use TypeScript. And why use remix? What is that? And is Supabase in the T3 Remix is like Next.js, but with some unique approaches. Better at handling loading cases, good at form handling, way better. Wow. Better performance for large data sets, but actually I wouldn't recommend it using it as a default. Next.js, yeah. It's not a TC, basically. Okay, yeah. Okay. I think that's fine. Okay. I think that's fine. Yeah. In general, for mobile, as far as like cross-platform, like, is Expo the best? Can I just like put? I want to like mark something as, hey, this is like 90% what we're probably gonna do, but like there are other options, you know? So I kind of want to give it some context. Because, I mean, at the end of the day, if we're just using the same shit, who cares? We don't even need this. But as options, then maybe we can add some options. Because I know before, when you gave it to me, pause. I don't think the AI understands pause. Before, when you gave it to me, you outlined a lot of things, which I liked in the system. Yeah, there was something at the very beginning which I liked. It was so you had it. So it was in your hands. So it was in your enhanced project MD, which I didn't keep, but I think I would like it. 50-50, but I think I would like to keep it because because you here you put boilerplate requirements. I think I'm going to keep it actually. But in your so I mean, if we're gonna put this right, you have boilerplate requirements, and you have core stack requirements, and you have auth level, database complexity, API requirements, real time features, mobile requirements, and so on. So if you have all these, I mean, does the choice of these different things change the template that we're using? Question mark. Or I mean, if it's 90, like if everything we do is gonna be like the basic thing, then who cares, right? We're just gonna just specify start with this, or with for mobile, and start with this for the other one. But if these answers to these questions, or these choices in the enhanced version of the initial project, and even the enhanced version of the development constraints, because I see there's an enhanced, you add UI template, all this stuff. Well, I guess that kind of follows the selection. If we use these enhanced things, then I guess the question is, do we want to provide more options in the context menu, in the development, in the taste menu, in the thing? Do we want to provide like a holistic thing? And I can go to OpenAI, I can go to ChatGPT now and start to develop that. But is that something, what do you think about that? And if so, if that's what we want to do, we want to provide a kind of comprehensive thing that is able to generate an ideal template based on these preset features. If we need something like that, then let's get those features outlined, and then I can go to, we can either develop it here if you feel you're comfortable doing that, or I can go to ChatGPT and have them develop it, and develop kind of, not only, obviously if we have all the requirements, then it's like, okay, well, these are all the templates in the kind of, if we have like it's not like a table, but it's like if we have like a matrix per se of choices, like, because I don't even know if this is an AI choice necessarily, but it's like, yeah, I mean, what do you think about that? Question mark. Or in general, are we really defaulting, like, if 90% we're like going between like two things, then we should really focus kind of on those two things. Like, is it just this or this? Is this or because if 90% we're just gonna go to Supabase because it's the easiest thing, and we're gonna go to Prisma, and we're gonna go to React. Like, I mean, is there any situation where we're gonna go somewhere else? Is there any situation where we're gonna go to, if we're gonna use, I'll probably just use Expo for everything. Why not? I don't know why not. Why use Flutterflow? Why use Swift? Why use anything else? If these are like, things that these are libraries that kind of go across everything. Anyway, I'm gonna copy this over because I do like it. It was pretty nice. I'm gonna spec it, but wait, what the hell? Oh, it started already. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So hey, listen. You know, um, we're gonna put uh, template selection.md. I'm gonna throw that in there. We're gonna use, yeah, it's Next.js plus shadcn. We're gonna use Next.js. We're gonna be wild. We're gonna say Next.js 15, baby. Which is kind of wild, but I like it. I think it's. I don't know anything about it, but whatever. Who cares? 3 stack plus Supabase. Yeah. Okay. Testing framework. Um, Okay. Cool. Um, is there any? I mean, maybe Zapier for the. No, no, no. That's fine. Okay. Is there anything else that I sometimes use that I always forget about? No, because we always go to shadcn, always with everything. Uh, Sometimes I bring in the other. Sometimes I bring in some AI stuff. But I don't have a default AI voice or even integration thing. I'm leaning LiveKit. Really, I'm leaning toward Hume because Hume just works. LiveKit, I want to like it, but it's just not working, man. It's just not working. Anyway, okay. So anyway, we have that. We have this. Cool. Uh, I don't know about what I don't this. I don't know what this is. Testing framework. I don't know what that's for. We don't really be testing. Docker. Uh, pnpm. Um, what's pnpm, and can I spec that? Because pnpm is way better. And how do I get the dev window to just pop up when I run an app? It's annoying to have to click. This is random. I'm just coming to you with gripes, my boy. pnpm is like a node. It's like npm, but way faster, more efficient. Better space usage, stricter and safer. You can specify it. Add a dev tooling, section 2, development constraints.md. pnpm dev server config, auto open true, localhost, VSCode extensions. Oh, T3 app will just fucking create something? Bruv, what is this? What is this? Oh my God! Wait, I didn't know about that. Wait. What are you talking? What is this, dude? Why didn't see this is the type of shit? I don't know. Why don't I'm like pissed I don't know about this stuff. What's next? I don't know what Next.js is. Okay, simple API to manage users and sessions. Okay, well if it's just T3 from the start, I mean. Well, let me ask the question. Let's ask the question. Um, I didn't know about this website. I'm kind of annoyed. Do T3 apps come with a database? Question mark. I don't see it. I think Prisma is what I see, that it's like a way to work with databases, but I don't see any databases included in Prisma. Is it like suggested to work with a specific database in Prisma? Question mark. I know Supabase is pretty popular with everybody in the open source community, but Supabase also includes Auth, which is better. Let's find out. Doesn't come with a database, comes with the ORM that delivers, but when the stack comes, it's pre-configured with Prisma, which is an ORM, which, it doesn't include, okay, you'll still need to set up your Postgres or MySQL or SQLite or MongoDB. Prisma works with Postgres and MySQL. For most projects, Postgres is common and most recommended. Supabase is a good tool. Database, it's got auth, storage like S3 real time. Next auth. Okay, so I don't want to use T3 because we're using base. So, well, okay. So let's go ahead and throw this into the thing here. Dev constraints. So I like that. Well, I don't like. Preferred backend stack. Let's see that. Okay, Next.js 14, 15, front end, 15. I don't know why they always spec app router. Backend edge functions, Prisma, Supabase, Postgres, and then Prisma as ORM, mobile, Expo, yeah, and then Auth, and then Zoostan, backend same as web, and database, and then beautiful thing is all stays the same. So our T3 latest, CL true, default true, Node.js false, packages, Prisma, TPRC, okay, and then remove any next auth references, add Supabase, add shadcn, or I think it would be better to do this and then add the other ones as needed. Okay, so you can still use either one. Okay, so I understand. All right. I always wonder why people said that. Okay, so we're using Next.js 15 always, probably shadcn, front end. Let's clean this up a little bit. Um, I don't know. I need to reformat this. This don't work at all. It don't work at all. Backend stack. Um, what is this? Do we need those extra comments? I don't think so. remove extra comments, reformat so it's more clear what's being used and for what and under what category. Nice. All right, nice. Is that good? Yeah. Actually, we don't need that, but well, yeah, this is just for the it's just for, yeah, again, it's just for, you know, it's for the kids. So we need database, caching in real time. Okay, database. Okay, yeah, nice. Okay, cool. Is that it? Cool. Is that it? Are you guys still on? Okay, we've been going for a while. All right, so we're gonna take this and we're gonna give it to ChatGPT. So we're gonna give it, we have our client prompt here. I'm gonna delete a few of these just for fun. And we have our prompt. Based on what I've described, please fill out this stuff. Actually, so I'm just gonna do it again, but I'm gonna do it like with only the stuff that I give it. Okay. Okay, cool. Cool. And okay, they talked about it. Yeah, Expo is the best. Okay. Yeah. Okay, cool. And okay, cool. And okay. 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 So finish prompt is And then we got it down. I think we got it. Oh, wait, what? What? Okay. Listen, that's why you tell it to be opinionated. It says, by the way, can you see everything on my screen? You guys can't see the top. Okay, it's fine. That's why you're supposed to use a little circle. Anyway, use Loom, but Loom is paid. Shut up. We're not using Loom. Also, but I could use that other application that I like. It's called, but it crashes sometimes, so fuck it. All right. Yeah, I like it. I like it. Then we can kind of delete this a little bit, but okay. Cool. Okay, let's go ahead and use it. Let's go ahead and use it. So we're gonna use it on that idea because we're just gonna pull. I'm gonna pull this whole thing that I made up before. I wonder if he's using the enhance. Okay, cool. Let's just do it. And then are we using the enhanced or not? Yes. Okay. Let's just gas for it. Just give me those. I don't want to think about it. This is a little bit redundant. Okay, project init. Okay. I like it. Good. I can replace, and I feel good about it. Let's look at their alternative for this. Okay, I'm just gonna throw it in there and then look at it over here. Good, good. Yep. We're just gonna add 15 because for whatever reason. Expo. Okay. What? Okay. Yeah. All right. Wait, are we just specifying from the top? Wait. Hold up. Oh, we were just I didn't even realize we were just specifying from jump. Like instead of even doing the project, yeah, we're just giving them the thing, development style. Yeah, we're just telling them what to do. Okay. Okay. Yeah, fuck it. I didn't realize we were just even, yeah, like, because that's like the whole thing of the back end is just like, but yeah, we're just telling them what to do. Okay. I guess clients should just install the boilerplate anyway, right? Theoretically. So, okay. All right, let's go. Let's go. I mean, let's see what's going on here. Let's see what's going on. I'm excited. Okay, guys. I mean, are you excited? Are you excited as me? You know what I mean? Let's see, and what's the prompt? Based on what I've described. All right. Actually, wait. Fuck. I mean, listen, we don't have any attachment. Oh, we do. Oh, shit, my bad. Okay, forgot. My bad. Anyway, I thought we didn't have any attachments. And if we didn't have any, because I wanted to use the O1 model, but whatever. I don't know. Sometimes, the O1 model, I don't know. I think it's a little bit small. I don't know. It stinks. I was like thinking. Anyway, cool, let's go. Okay, cool. Bourbon Buddy. Okay. TBD. Potential retailers. Build a crowdsource. Okay. Yeah. Mobile first. Web and Expo. Wow. 10,000 first year. Real-time needs. Nice. Okay. Yeah. MVP 6 months. 2 to 5. Must have deadlines. Yeah. Bourbon search and match-based user submissions, user-friendly with ranking and quality suggestions, submitting submissions, launch quality, fully functional app. The only thing is, I remember, I mean, we had the original one. It was a little bit better, right? Where is it? I feel like they pulled it together a little bit better, right? Bourbon Enthusiast, I think they had this is a little bit better. But again, hey, let's use Claude as well. Let's see what Claude comes up. Because I think, this nigga, he's way smarter, right? Yeah, let's see what he comes up with, actually. Because again, and this, people always ask, like, why is it what you want to, it's like, just, you have to see. You have to see it to believe it. Okay. So let's go ahead and let's grab the two things here. Let's see what he does. I'm telling you, this guy's a lot better. But let's see. Let me see. You guys can't see the screen. Okay. Well, okay. So we're just gonna go ahead and start with that. Fine, everything is that. No, okay, interesting. Need native performance, smooth app. Okay, so interesting. I mean, did the other guy get that? I don't think did the other guy get that? Let's check if he got that. I don't think he. No, wait. Special requirements need. Okay, it didn't fill it out, but it did fill it out. Okay. Compliance need age verification search for application. Okay. But see, it's specific age verification. Okay. Quality need specific audit capabilities. Price ooh, nice. Okay. Integration need. Okay. Native features. Nice. Camera action. Wow. Nice. Okay. Okay. Cool. So it really filled it out on this side. That's what I'm saying. Oh, you guys, maybe you can't see. It really filled it out on this side. The other one, I mean, it got some of it, but not really, not the whole, thing. Why is my picture so big? Fuck it. Okay. Bourbon spot. Okay. MVP, bourbon. So it got bourbon enthusiasts, retail stores. Okay, this is correct. User friendly. Yeah. Reputation and gamification. That's what it, this one didn't get gamification on the last one. We need to drive user engagement, right? Mobile first. Okay, cool. Yeah. Auth, anonymous browsing, user accounts for submissions, age verification, store verification. Nice. Good. Regional launch, bourbon heavy states. Good. MVP in 3 months, 2 to 5 developers. We need to design an architecture core. Okay, nice. Good. Success criteria. What is all this? We didn't have this. Map-based, bourbon discovery. Okay. Fine. Okay. Nice. Okay. We're going to use this. I'm going to show you how I'm going to use this. Okay, so again, this all started because of this client, client.md file, right? Okay. So what we're going to do is we're going to go new folder. What the hell? No, we don't want that. We want open folder. We've been going for a couple hours now. We're going to bourbon buddy. Ooh, bussy. Paul, let's relax. Yeah, okay. Bourbon buddy. All right. And we're going to drag in a few things here. We're going to drag in our cline instructions. Then we're going to also make our project init.md. And we're going to paste in the last half of this thing here, right here. Ooh. What we're going to do is we're going to ask let's see if it does it. Reformat for Markdown. Good. So I'm saying, guys, that's how you do it. That's how we do it. What does the original look like, though? Project init. I don't want it to be too ridiculous. Okay, nice. So we got a project init file. That's what I say. We gotta get our, keep our shit straight. The other one is called development constraints. .md. And we're going to go ahead and grab that. And hopefully it gets all of it. Ugh, it didn't get. Let's see if it gets it. It didn't, yeah, I don't know. I wonder how it's going to deal with those ones down here where it's like, because we don't need You know what I mean? Yeah, it's whatever. We're just gonna exit out what we don't need. We don't need to include it. Need specific data locality, don't need that. And then we don't need extreme scale. Yeah, okay, cool. So we got that, we're cool. So then we go over to cline. Okay, we go to cline. Okay, what's our, cool, we have this, we're gonna use this. Where are we at? Developer workflow. Wait, what? Well, let's just go over here. We're supposed to go to, actually, yeah, because we need to add some context to use these two things, right? We get what we do is what? Bro, I forgot, my boy. I forgot. It's probably in here. I mean, it is in here. Normie dev, it's in here. But this is too much, so we need to modify it. Yep. Following your instructions. Initialize a new project based on. Ooh, nice. Good. Okay, so this is key. So this is a key setup step. Is like, so we don't actually use this doc. We paste it inside of cline. So we go over to cline. Go over here. We go to use custom instructions, and we just paste it in. And we remove the. Actually, no. We paste in. We just copy this. And we paste it, and then we press OK, and then we get our and then we use our after. Okay, so and then we get our little thing here. Following your custom instructions, provided project init, and following your custom instructions, initialize a project based on provided project init and dev constraints. Create the and generate initial versions of all required documentation. I don't think you have to tell it that, because it should just you know, I don't want to even add that. It doesn't matter. Are you ready? Let's go. I'm scared. Oh my God, I'm scared. I'm excited. Oh, I'm scared. I'm excited. Nice. Yeah. Good. Oh, I'm excited. Yes. By the way, I think we could also do the same thing with windsurf. And maybe we'll try it. I'll probably try it after. I have a lot of shit to do today after this. Okay, project roadmap. Yeah. Okay, cool. Okay, so this is the current task. So it's supposed to set up, initialize. Okay. See, this is what I like it. I like it. Okay, tech stack. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Good. Mapbox GL. I don't know what that is. Okay. I'm sure he does, so it's fine. All right, looks good. I don't know. I mean, it looks. I mean, like I look at it, it looks. It's fine. Cool. Uh, can we zoom in one time? I'm getting old. Map view. Okay. Price submission flow. Store profile system. Yeah. Map bot. Nah. Native. I don't know what native wind is. See, we'll find out. Yeah. User. Yeah. Okay. Cool. This document will be updated and evolves as new components are added to the code base. I love this. I fucking love this. Man, this flow is so fucking good. Oh, I love it. Let's go. Okay. Cool. So, all right, so this is the thing. Okay, so after it creates it, tell it following your custom instructions, review the project state and initialize work. Okay. Okay, it says here, it's ready for the next phase. Continue to the There was one thing I was thinking about adding though, from the Discord. And this guy had this doc was fucking deep. Now, so this is interesting. At first I thought I was like, bro, this is overkill, but it's interesting. So, I need to order this more. Let me get a folder. Add a server. I don't need this one. Can I add a folder? Where's the folder? Oh. 11 labs, yeah. Human AI, add it to now. Yeah, we'll have an AI folder. Agency Swarm, all about AI. I gotta probably not pay for that anymore. The guy, I mean, he's cool, but prompts. Okay, yeah, this guy brought this. I mean, this doc was insane. So it says DOD, definition of done. This reviews criteria for any work done. This criteria is to ensure consistent quality and reliability across the project. Code quality, no linting errors, testing requirements, unit test coverage, greater than 90%. Look at all this stuff. Performance criteria, it meets everything in project roadmap.nd. Look at this shit. I think I'm gonna go ahead and download it, but do I think, and I need to make sure I title it correctly because that's a random ass doc, right? Also, by the way, we gotta clean up this downloads folder. I don't know what this shit is. Okay. Let's ask my friend. I'll ask my friend. Do you think that prompt setup? Because this is, I mean, it's pretty deep. It's like definitely for production. I don't know what production is. Listen, I don't know anything, but maybe for production, I'm like, hey, for an AI workflow, DoD is way overkill and would slow down development without adding value. Okay. Okay. Wow. All right. See, you got my friend. All right. Overkill. He already handles everything. All right. So we're not doing that then. Continue. Let's continue. Yeah. Yeah. BTW, what is mono repo? This is like where all the things like web app, mobile app, desktop app, and all are handled in the same code base. I've heard of Turbo repo. What's that do? Is mono repo the default? So some concept called mono repo, and since we're yeah, okay, yeah, it is, okay. Almost, yeah. And okay, mono repo. Ah, nice. Okay. Fuck. All right. I forgot. Almost forgot that. repo term. Okay. Okay, and this is the prompt. Okay, and let's go ahead and update the prompt for fun. Okay, yeah, code sharing, cool. So we have to talk to cline. I'm scared. I'm always scared, man. I almost forgot. Okay. Oof, I'm scared. What's it gonna say? Okay. I need to update our documentation to incorporate turbo repo for better mono repo management. I'll start it by updating techstack.md because it contains our core technical decisions. Fuck yeah, dude. Fuck yeah, dude. We made it. We fucking made it, dude. We made it. Yes. 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 Oh, yes. Yes. Okay, just double check. Is turbo repo the best? I don't even know. I've only heard of turbo repo. I don't even know. And X, Lerna, Rush. Yeah, we're going to choose turbo repo. Okay, cool. Let's continue. I love it. It automatically sets that up. Oh, it's so fucking beautiful. Oh, this is my shit, dude. We're gonna have this fucking app built in fucking. How long have I been recording? 2 hours. Okay, we're gonna have this fucking app built today, baby. We're gonna have this app built out today. Okay, current tasks. Okay. I need to update to reflect turbo repo integration and development milestones and technical infrastructure. Cool. Ah, look at that right there. Now we creating something right there. We're creating something right there. What the hell? We want to use pnpm. What the hell? Add a turbo app. Okay. Wow. What? Okay. Okay, cool. I like it. Solving problems, man. You know, sometimes if it actually works, you know, you know what I mean? Look at goddamn magician, baby. I should be doing other shit. I gotta put a mark on this project. I'll probably say like 30 minutes. On this test project of the method. Maybe I'll edit this. Maybe I'll like actually try YouTube and edit this video. Oh, look at that. Oh, look at that. It looks good. Now that we've created it, I need to examine the structure before moving everything to our main directory. I need to update code base summary to reflect the turbo repo structure, and then move everything from temp turbo to our main directory. Good. So we're gonna move it all. It's gonna move everything, and then we're gonna configure the app environment, and then we're gonna initialize version control, which is GitHub. So that's nice. Yeah, cool. Let's go. System infrastructure. You know what would be good? So you know what we need? The next level of this is like somebody needs to be clicking the buttons, you know what I mean? Somebody needs to there's another AI level, and this is when we talk about agentic workflows. It's like somebody needs to look at it and make sure he's doing the right shit. You know what I mean? We need somebody to look at it and push him to get the shit done. You know? Hey, go to the next level. Hey, go to the next step. Hey, go to the next step, you know? And ignorantly kind of just be like pushing through. I don't necessarily know why we're building stuff, and they're linting, look at that. I don't know what, generating static pages. We have way too many terminals. Look at this shit. Kill all these. Okay. Ooh, man, I love it. I love it. I love to see a little, you know what I mean? I love it. I love to see a little, you know what we could do even, you know what I mean? But you know what I don't have? So I've been in my, well, you know, I do have it. I do have it. I've been in my bag a few times. So, you know, this is why I need I want another computer. It would be nice to have two computers. I have a bunch of, this is all my projects, all my AI, this is I'm the most excited about the project management one, but the language learning one is interesting. You know, the language learning one is interesting. What did I critique this plan for language learning app? Well, okay, and then oh, that's why I stopped. I wanted to research tool. I needed to research. That was insane. I stopped because there was like all these library, all this like, who is it? What's going on here? Let's look at it. Okay. Expo start. Metro waiting. Scan the code with Expo Go or camera app. We're gonna switch cameras here. And see if that works. Is it gonna work? Well, I don't know why my FaceTime camera is not working, but yeah, it's fine. You don't need to see me anyway. Let's look at this. I don't know. Expo. Let's look at Expo. Expo Go. Looks like it's some sort of. Is this the app? It has good ratings, which is a good sign. I don't even have an account. Let's go ahead and sign up for an Expo account real quick. What in the world is this? Okay, we'll just use, I don't know, my normal stuff. Okay. Sign up on my phone here. It's kind of annoying that you can't see me, because if I go silent, then it's worse, because obviously you can't see shit. Let me try to see if I can get the camera working. What the fuck? Why isn't it turning on? Man, it's not working. Anyway, well, I guess it's a good time as any to fucking get out of here. Anyway, this is what we're doing. We're signing up. We're doing it. Enjoy. I hope to, like, next time, now that I have the method or a method, I hope to, show some stuff in the future. Enjoy. Cheers.